Hi everybody, it's Adam coming to you with another Lego story. Today it's going to be about a girl named Jada and her dog, Astro, and they want to go for a boating trip. So here we pick up the story.
Astro, you've been such a good dog. I want to take you on a boating trip.
Okay, said Astro. So she called,
Beep, pop, beep, pop, beep, pop, beep.
on her phone. Someone picked up from a boating tour company and said, "Hello, this is a boating company."
Yes, I'd like to go on a boating tour, please.
Okay, I've got two available, either Empire Express or Hans Boating Tours. Which one would you like?
I'm not familiar with either one, but Empire does a great job with carpets. So I'll try Empire Express.
And that is where the peril starts.
Do, 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 do.
So Jada and Astro were waiting, and sure enough, here came dun, 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 the Empire Express. It is I, Darth Vader, and the Empire Express. Welcome aboard. Okay, said Jada, a little creeped out by the freaky music and everyone wearing a mask.
Is this like COVID-19 approved?
We're doing this to prevent any type of germs from spreading.
Oh, I guess I get it.
So they sailed on. Anyway, suddenly the lead stormtrooper turned and said, "It's time." Darth Vader turned and said, "That's it, you're gonna turn to the dark side." Astro was like, "Ruh-roh." And Jada said,
Not on your life there, Masky. What's not gonna happen?
"Yes, you will."
No!
"Not my best day," said Darth. Jada and Astro were swimming in the water. What should we do? What should we do? Astro suddenly turned and looked. There's a raft. And sure enough, there was a raft that came. Quickly, they got on it. Woo, woo. All right, we're going to be okay. Because rafts float in the sea all the time. So then Jada was like, "Let me try my cell phone." Beep, pop, beep, pop, beep, pop. And sure enough, she got someone. She got her friends, the Wookiees. "Ruh-roh," said the Wookiees.
It's me. It's your big friend. I'm here. It's Jada. I don't want to tell you about the problem.
"Okay," said Chewbacca, because he really wants to know about people's problems.
Darth Vader just trying to turn me to the dark side. Me and Astro.
"Roar," said Chewbacca, because he knows all about the problems that Darth Vader causes and trying to turn people to the dark side, so he knows.
Help! You must send help.
"Roar," said Chewbacca, and they waited for help to arrive. They were there floating in the water, and it suddenly got a little distressing. Dun, 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 dun. Sharks were starting to swarm the waters. "Ruh-roh," said Astro. "I sure hope help comes soon." And it did, in the form of da-na-na, da-na-na. It's Hans Boat Tour, here to save the day. Da-na-na, da-na-na. "It's me, it's Hans. I've heard from my friend Chewie that you were needing some help. I was here with my friends on a fishing trip. How can we help you there, Jada?"
You need to help. Darth Vader tried to turn us to the dark side.
"Darth Vader, get aboard quickly." And they did.
Whew. You're gonna here to protect me and my dog,
said R2.
Mr. Reporting for Doo-Doo,
Said Jar Jar Binks.
We will find them.
And sure enough, they did. Whoosh, they went off. And here's where our story gets a little bit exciting. Our boat crew came upon the terrible Empire Express. "Oh, what? Are you such a terrible driver?" "Luke Skywalker." "Not just me. This is Hans' boating tour. And I heard you were trying to turn our friends to the dark side. Beware. I'll turn you to the dark side, because I am your father." You may be, but you gotta deal with the net." Sure enough, the stormtroopers all got tangled in the net. "Sorry, Darth. Capsize my fishing pontoon, will you?" "Oh! See you later, guys." And they went away.
It's a good thing there aren't any sharks in the water.
Dun, 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 dun. Guess what? There are sharks in the water. So, moral of the story is, guess what? Jada made some new friends. Astro now has Wookiees for friends and, of course, a Gungan, which is really fun. And if you're ever going to do a boating tour and the leader of the Empire Express is Darth Vader, don't go. Otherwise, you should be in good luck. Enjoy your boating and enjoy your Lego stories. See you later.